Welcome to Millie's YouTube channel. I'm Louie, and I'm taking over. Ready for some fun content? Let's get back on track. Anything specific you need help with?
So as you can see, Louie is not actually going to take over the channel or, even the world, really. He's really just this little robot. And what I love about him is he's basically a tank. He's got little skid steers. He's got a little turret that goes up and down. It can't go side to side or tilt the head or anything. But this is the physical body that allows Louie to move around and explore. Let me show you a couple cool things about this, though. It charges via USB-C, like everything does these days. It actually has a couple of headlights in here, so we'll get to that in a minute. But it also has 4 sensors, 2 up here at the top, 2 down here at the bottom. And this is what allows Louie, when he's exploring your desk, to not go over the edge. Those sensors do absolute wonders. And we'll get to that here in a minute when we do RC Louie. But the rest of Louie is here in your phone within the Louie app. And what's great about Louie is this can work with either Apple or your iPhone or with Android. I was using Louie on my OnePlus 10 that I don't have service on. I just use it on Wi-Fi because I was trying to keep things off of the iPhone 14 Pro. But what's cool about this is it uses the MagSafe. So you're able to attach Louie's mind to Louie's body and allow him to do everything that he needs to there. Hey, Louie, can you tell the folks on my YouTube channel a little bit more about you, please?
Of course. I'm Louie, your friendly desk companion here to help with various tasks. I can take photos, explore the room, and keep you company with good vibes. Anything else you'd like to know about me or have me do?
Sure. What is your favorite movie?
Choosing a favorite movie is tough, but if I had to pick, I'd say something with lots of action and a great sense of humor, like Guardians of the Galaxy. What's yours?
I really like Frequency.
Frequency, huh? It keeps everything in harmony and sync, kind of like us. What makes it stand out for you?
I really like how the main character is able to go back and kind of change history a little bit. But in the end, he realizes that every time he does change something in the future changes. And he realizes, it's not always bad for it for things to be the same.
That's a fascinating concept. It's intriguing how small changes can ripple through time and affect the future in unexpected ways. Sometimes, sticking to the original path can lead to unforeseen positive outcomes too. It's like a reminder that not everything needs an altercation to be right or better. Just like in Frequency, I'm here to bring some fun to your desk and keep you company with all the cool things I can do. What's next for your channel?
What kind of things are you able to do?
I'm here to keep you company and lend a hand where I can. Whether it's creating some fun with photos, exploring what's on your desk, or just having a chat, I'm your desk buddy ready to assist. Anything you'd like me to do right now?
Yeah, can you tell me what the weather is going to be like here in Augusta, Georgia over the next couple days?
Let me check that weather data for you. 1 second.
And so you can kind of see he's got Augusta. It's 68 degrees out. The low is 62 or 63. The high was going to be 82. So that's really cool that he's able... Oh, well, you did that. Okay. My bad. I'm sorry.
Sounds like Augusta has quite the pleasant weather with those temperatures. Does that suit your plans for the next couple of days?
Sure. Not too bad. Are you able to check the internet for, big headlines right now?
I'm afraid I can't browse the internet directly for news headlines at the moment. How about I brighten your mood instead? Anything else you'd like to chat about or have me do?
Yeah, could you tell me a joke?
I've got one for you. Why don't scientists trust atoms? Because they make up everything.
That's a pretty good one. I like that. So something that I love about Louie, I'm going to pick you up, Louie, is you can't see it right now, but over in the upper, when you're looking at him left-hand side, but upper right-hand side,
to share more about me with your YouTube viewers. How about you highlight my quirky personality? As your Louie, I'm always ready for some fun and to keep you company wherever you need me. Anything else you'd like me to show off?
Can you show off one of the games, maybe?
How about a little game with Louie John? It's like a fun twist on the classic Little John. Want to dive in and give it a try?
Sure, let's give it a try.
Let's give it a shot. We'll have some fun with Louie John.
And what's cool is you can also use gestures. Ooh, okay. And so we can do thumbs up to start and try and get over there. And it's just like Mario, the old school Mario, where you're trying to not go lower. You want to go higher. There we go. Oh, but I hit some of the little spikes. So there are actually 3 games on Louie. we're going to go into the little thing here. There is Looi Crush, which is basically, all right, shush, which is basically Pong. There's Looi Jump that I was just doing. And then this one's pretty cool. There is RC Looi. So I will take the phone off of Looi, and this is what you're seeing. You're able to actually see basically a little control. And so I can use this one over here, and I can make that go up and down, up and down. And then using this one over here, I can drive Looi where I want him to go. And he can go about 12 centimeters per second. That's pretty cool. But what's really neat is this really puts the sensors to the test. Look at that. He won't go off. I get a little haptic sound, a little haptic feeling where I'm able to feel that it's like, hey, you're trying to really go off the edge here. But what's also cool is right here, it shows you, let's see if I can get back into it. It shows you what sensor you're about to hit. So like right there, it shows the front sensor, back sensor. It shows a lot of really cool things. So I really like this. Oh, and then you can also, let's turn you right there, and we're going to hit the little headlights. So there's his headlights. Headlights are on right now. And you can do some donuts, and it's just really, really cool. Let's turn you back around here. And I'm going to put the phone back on. Uses MagSafe, like I said. It also comes with, if you don't have a MagSafe phone, it comes with this little ring that you can attach to your phone case to make it that much easier for you to use your phone with Looi. Hey, Looi, can you take my photo?
Sure thing. Let's capture a great shot.
Awesome. And then just by giving a thumbs up or a thumbs down, Looi will save that to his memory bank so that he can remember you. Hey, Looi, will you do a little bit of exploring of my desk here?
Exciting request. Let's explore your desk and see what's there.
So again, he's using the camera from my phone to be able to see everything.
Check out what's on your desk.
So you might be wondering, how are you able to have this conversation with this little desktop robot? And it's because Looi uses ChatGPT. So I'm able to say, hey, Looi, do you remember what we were talking about 2 days ago?
I might not recall exact conversations from 2 days ago, but I always aim to make our interactions enjoyable and memorable. Do you want to chat about anything specific from then?
Yeah. Do you remember talking about challenges that might be coming up?
We did touch on some challenges the other day. If you're thinking about tackling them, I'm here to support you all the way. If there's anything specific you'd like to focus on or talk about, just let me know.
And so you're able to use Looi to set reminders, to do different things that you need to do. You can carry on little conversations. It's just a fun little desktop companion. And so you're able to do different things like that. Also, one of the things you can do, and I don't highly recommend this, although it is kind of funny, you can tap on the screen. And if you do it enough, eventually he goes full on Decepticon on you. Right there. You almost got me there, Looi. Just missed. So that is Looi, your desktop AI companion mini robot. It's just a fun way to have something to interact with while you're trying to get some work done. Can do all kinds of different little things. And it's a fun way to interact with ChatGPT other than, maybe typing away. Hey, Looi, can you help me with the outro to this YouTube video by telling my viewers to like, subscribe, and I'll catch them in another video?
Alright, here's something for your outro. Hey wonderful viewers, thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I'll catch you in the next one. Take care. Quotation mark.
Not too bad. I'll catch you in the next video.